In December, we crossed the border with a caravan and settled in San Felipe for a few days before continuing our almost 2-month adventure down the Baja Peninsula. While in La Paz, we booked a whale shark snorkel tour. We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van.
When we arrived at La Paz, we went to Harker Board Company for some lunch.
Bring the drinks back and forth. You want to ride on that?
Little did we know they also offer a whale shark tour. So Rich got some more information and signed us up for a tour in a couple days.
Hi, we're at Harker Board Company and Restaurant in La Paz, Baja California. We just got done eating, had a couple beers, and Saturday we're signed up for the Swim with the Whale Shark tour, a 4-hour tour. We'll be able to see a whole lot of whale sharks and be able to see some dolphins.
That morning, we woke up early for our tour with excitement. All wetsuited up,
Yeah, ready to go.
ready to head to the boat for some whale sharks. At the marina.
Saturday,
Here's the boat.
getting ready to go see some whale sharks.
You want to go on one of these little sailboats? Yeah, the big catamaran. Here we go.
Off to see the whale shark.
The area where the whale sharks feed is protected by the Mexican government. There's a limited number of boats allowed in the area every 3 hours. The tour took us out and around the bay in La Paz, and about an hour after we left, we saw our first whale shark. The whale sharks in La Paz feed on the plankton in the rich waters. There are roughly 100 whale sharks in the waters near La Paz. Most are juveniles and are up to 30 feet long. Though whale sharks are considered slow swimmers, swimming up to 3 miles per hour, we had to swim quickly while snorkeling to keep up in order to get a close look, all while being careful not to get too close to their tails. Whale sharks are not actually sharks or whales, but the largest fish in the sea, often referred to as the gentle giant. Whale sharks are filter feeders and cannot bite or chew with their tiny teeth.
Is that cool?
When entering the water from the side of the boat, we needed to be smooth and quiet as to not scare the whale sharks away. Our excitement on the first swim got the best of us, and we were all a little bit louder than we wanted to be. But after a few attempts, we mastered our entry, and we were lucky enough to go for multiple swims with these beautiful giants. Though we saw dolphins in the distance, they never came close to the boat for viewing.
Just got done with the most amazing experience.
Amazing.
Swimming with the whale sharks here in La Paz.
6 whale sharks, maybe 3 bottlenose dolphins.
And we had a lot of fun.
Look at that.
What is it?
IPA.
A little taste of home here in Baja.
Cheers. What a lot of fun. How many did we say? 6?
At least. Have some dolphins.
Buenas tardes.
What a beautiful day.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. We went on a boat ride and with whale sharks. We probably saw 5 or 6 whale sharks.
Got to swim with them?
Amazing. I mean, so up close to them with just gentle beasts. And then we also saw probably 3 or 4 dolphins, bottlenose dolphins.
And we went with Harker? I don't think it's Harker.
Yeah, Harker.
Harker Board Company, and they also have a restaurant. We're up here on their patio having lunch.
Yes.
We ate here the other day, and we're back for more.
Totally suggest. Yeah, I totally recommend them. Yep.
After our tour, we headed down to Tecolote, do some camping on the beach, and explore Playa Balandra the next day.